I want to try something different. So I've noticed that on one of my videos, actually two of my videos, a lot of people liked them. A lot of people I got some good attention and some good comments and some good everything on them. So I want to start this new series where I will be talking about, basically I'll be talking about different things, different travel locations. So for one, currently I live in Jackson, Mississippi. So for this, I would do like an entire playlist or an entire series on Jackson. I'm broadcasting different parts of Jackson, different neighborhoods, different things you might want to see, you might want to check out. I'm going to be showing you guys downtown Jackson. Economically, it's doing pretty good, it's doing great. They're doing a lot of construction and a lot of upcoming and new things in Jackson. So right now they're pretty much doing like basically a revamp of downtown. They're fixing all the sewers, and a lot of our infrastructure is very bad, very old. So we have this new mayor in charge. One of his big goals is to redo the infrastructure. They've been redoing all the pipes and everything, and now that they finally got a majority of that work done downtown, now they're repaving all the streets, and you see a lot of people buying up properties downtown, and they're building apartments, houses, and condos, and everything down here. They just built this one hotel. This new hotel is I want to say it's not a Hilton. They built this new hotel downtown just a few months ago, and they're doing some more projects. One big project that they're trying to do, they're building this one lake project where we have a Pearl River that cuts down in between Jackson, and they're going to make like some lakefront properties down there. So you have maybe some condos and all type of nice things on the water overlooking Jackson. Currently, downtown Jackson is experiencing a $1.6 billion uplift in infrastructure and construction and renovation and adaptation of some of the current buildings, the commercial buildings. They're changing those into residential buildings because it's a rising demand to live in downtown Jackson. So a lot of the old buildings you see, not this one, but a lot of the old buildings you see, they're trying to convert them into apartments and condos and like small townhouses, like sort of in a lot of the other bigger cities, and they're starting to build some condos downtown. So some things to do in Jackson, you have a lot of museums down here. They just recently finished building the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum, and also connecting on to that is the Mississippi History Museum. They just finished that probably 2 months ago. It was very controversial when they first opened it because our governor invited the president down to the ribbon ceremony, and a lot of people were protesting that because of his ideas and his views and how he speaks. Basically, they didn't want him attending the opening ceremony for Mississippi Civil Rights Museum. Now that that's finally open, it's taking a very good reception from everyone that goes in. Personally, I haven't been in yet, but I heard it's amazing. It's so much history, and it takes you at least 2-3 hours to go through the museums. It's two museums, the Civil Rights Museum and the Mississippi History Museum. It takes about 2 hours to go through both museums. So that's something you might want to look into if you have some kids or some young children, or if you're just visiting and you want to see some museums. Also downtown, we have the Old Capitol Museum. We have the Arts Museum also downtown. You might want to check out. So there are a lot of historical things in Jackson. There are a lot of historical landmarks or points of interest you might want to check out. One thing you may want to check out is the Fairest Street district. So pretty much Fairest Street, it was back in probably the 50s and the 40s, it was one of the largest, if not the largest, neighborhoods or areas for African American growth and community and just everything. But they're trying to rebrand it. Now also in Jackson, they've built some townhouses, sort of like you would see in New Orleans in the French Quarter district. I've checked out some of these houses. They are actually very nice. There are a lot of abandoned houses around the, I guess you say the downtown area, and they're tearing all of those abandoned houses down, and they're rebuilding them, rebranding everything. And they're making basically townhomes, little family townhomes. They're making private homes also. People are building houses down here. The area they're building these homes in is the Fairest Street district. So that also ties into everything they're doing to rebuild the Fairest Street district. There's also various food spots you might want to check out. One of the places I really recommend is the Taste of Caribbean. This is a new Jamaican/Caribbean restaurant they have built downtown. From what I hear, it is amazing. That's pretty much going to be it for this episode of the series, the first episode. So for the next episode, I'm going to take you to a different part of the city. I'm going to show you some of the things that it has to offer. I'm going to show you some of the highlights and the points of interest of it. If you guys have any areas or neighborhoods of the city you want to see, or if you have any questions about the city, I'll try to make a big video at the end of the series just highlighting the city of Jackson as a whole. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel below. I have a link for that also. Thank you guys for watching. Until next video, see you later.